how to use biometric verification for large GPay payments. Biometric verification for Google Pay or GPay enables you to authorize transaction using your phone's fingerprint scanner or face recognition instead of typing a numerical PIN. So basically what you want to do is you need to have a smartphone with a fingerprint sensor or facial recognition capability. So you also need to enable this. So go to settings on your device, and here you just want to go ahead and look for system, right? As you go to system, or you just want to go to security and privacy, here it is. Then you have these privacy control, all that. So you could also look for it in the search bar as well. You can go to device lock, and there you have fingerprint, right? You want to make sure to enable fingerprint first of all. Once you're done enabling the fingerprint, then what you also want to make sure to do is you have to update your Google Pay app to the latest version. So make sure to update the app by going to your respective app store. And once you're done updating your Google Pay app, you then need to open the app as well. And once you're done updating the app, you then want to make sure that the bank link to your UPI must support biometric as well. As you could see, I've enabled this, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it. And whenever I make a payment, it's going to ask me to use a biometric or face recognition as well. And that is how you're going to do it. So all you need is just open up your device and just go to the profile initials at the top right, and there you could go to settings. And there you could go to settings, and you could simply go ahead and look for these options that says biometric and facial recognition. And that is how you're going to use biometric verification for large GPay payments. And with that, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.